Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a very interesting topic on the beating heart of your car, how it works, and how to maintain it, as I will be exploring everything you need to know. Every time you turn your key or press that start button, something magical happens under the hood. Metal, fire, air, and fuel come together in perfect harmony to create motion. That incredible system is your car's engine, the beating heart that powers your journey. But here's the thing. Most people drive their cars every day without really knowing how their engine works or how to keep it healthy. So in this video, we're going to break down how a car engine works in simple, fascinating terms, maintenance tips that will keep it running smoothly, save you money, and extend the life of your vehicle. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see your car in a whole new light. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. Number 1. How does an engine actually work? Let's start with the basics. Your car's engine is essentially a controlled explosion machine. Sounds dramatic, right? But it's true. Here's how it works step by step in what's called the four-stroke cycle. Intake. The piston moves down, pulling in a mixture of air and fuel. Compression, the piston moves back up, squeezing that mixture tight. Power, a spark plug ignites the compressed fuel, causing a mini explosion that pushes the piston down with force. Exhaust, the piston rises again, pushing out the burnt gases through the exhaust. This cycle happens thousands of times per minute in multiple cylinders. The result? Continuous power that turns your wheels. So every time you drive, your engine is basically a symphony of tiny explosions working in harmony to move tons of metal down the road. Number 2. Why maintenance matters. Now that you know how it works, here's the truth. Engines are tough, but they're not invincible. If you don't maintain them properly, things go downhill fast. Fuel efficiency drops, repairs become expensive, and in the worst cases, the engine fails completely. But the good news? A little care goes a long way, and most maintenance is simpler than you think it might be. Number 3. Essential engine maintenance tips. Number 1. Change your oil regularly. Oil is like the blood of your engine. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and prevents overheating. Change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or as recommended by your car's manual. Don't forget the oil filter, which traps dirt and debris. Failing to change oil is the number 1 reason engines wear out early. Number 2. Check and replace air filters. Engines need clean air for combustion. A dirty air filter means your engine struggles to breathe, reducing power and fuel economy. Inspect every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Replace it if it's clogged with dirt or dust. Think of it like this. Would you run a marathon while breathing through a dirty rag? Neither should your engine. Number 3. Monitor coolant levels. Engines get hot. Coolant prevents overheating by absorbing and releasing heat. Check your coolant level every month. Flush and replace it every 2 to 3 years. Overheating is one of the quickest ways to ruin an engine. Number 4. Spark plug care. Remember that tiny explosion we talked about? Spark plugs light it up. Worn spark plugs cause misfires, rough idling, and poor fuel economy. Replace them every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on your vehicle. A fresh spark plug equals smooth, powerful ignition. Number 5. Watch for warning lights. Modern cars are smart. If your check engine light comes on, don't ignore it. It could be something minor or a sign of serious trouble. Get it scanned as soon as possible to avoid costly repairs. Number 6. Keep fuel system clean. Over time, fuel injectors can clog with deposits. Use quality fuel. Add a fuel system cleaner every few thousand miles. Replace the fuel filter as recommended. Clean fuel equals cleaner combustion equals longer-lasting engine. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. Number 4. Bonus tips to extend engine life. Number 1. Warm up your engine. Give it a few seconds before driving hard, especially in cold weather. Number 2. Avoid short trips. Engines perform best when fully warmed up. Constant short trips wear them down. Number 3. Drive smoothly. Aggressive driving equals more stress on your engine. Number 4. Regular inspections. Listen for unusual noises, check for leaks, and schedule routine servicing. These little habits might seem small, but combined, they can add years to your engine's life. Number 5. The bigger picture. Think of your car's engine like an athlete. If you feed it well, let it rest properly, and check in regularly, it will perform like a champion. But neglect it, and sooner or later, it'll break down when you need it most. Engines are marvels of engineering, millions of tiny parts working together in perfect timing. And with the right care, they can last 200,000 miles or more. So the next time you start your car, take a moment to appreciate the engineering masterpiece humming under the hood. And remember, oil is life, air is power, coolant is protection, and maintenance is the key to longevity. Because in the end, a well-maintained engine doesn't just save you money, it gives you peace of mind, knowing the heart of your car is strong and ready for the road ahead. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new about the working of the beating heart of your car, hit that like button, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating, easy-to-understand breakdowns of the tech that shapes our everyday lives. Your support helps keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.